Salesforce, Apple, Cisco, sit your ass down. I'm about to break the biggest piece of technology news for anybody that works in sales. Right now, I've got you. This is the latest and greatest technology for sales reps. What? Yeah, a pen and a piece of paper. I want you to comment below how many times you've been in meetings at your company where technology makes everything a total disaster. I'm sure some of you have that manager with the gold MacBook that's got to open it up and start clicking away at every single meeting. If you want to make millions of dollars, you've got to realize there's a fine line between technology helping you and having it make you look like a complete idiot that just doesn't care. Put the laptop down. Take a few moments. Talk with your prospect. What's going on? What's the situation right now? There's no way the board is going to approve this project until Q3. Why Q3? Well, we missed the deadline on a few of our numbers. If you don't mind me asking, just out of curiosity, which deadlines did you miss? Well, the new packaging didn't come out, and Steve, our CIO, got fired. Steve was let go. Why do you think they let Steve go? Take notes. Be a good doctor. Be a good therapist. You don't need the latest and greatest technology to make 6 figures a year. You don't need to whip out your laptop every chance you get to make $1 million a year. If you want to make more money in less time, leave the technology in your bag. There's a time and a place to go in there and update your CRM. Grab a pen, grab a piece of paper, and have some good conversations with your prospects. Trust me, you'll sell more. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.